RETROCENGO here, back with another Pinball Talk video. This is my video number 600 and something, and this is Pinball Talk episode 3. This video, I hate to make this video. Usually this is just a great hobby and I love to make these Pinball Talk videos. Some of you guys are writing to me, make Pinball Talk episodes every day. That's not possible, guys. But this episode 3, I'm so irritated because spooky pinball. This episode is gonna be all about spooky pinball. I love this father and son and daughter controlled, build, manufactured, designed, made, advertised, sold, everything company. Okay, I love everything spooky pinball stands for. Okay, absolutely, they got my 100% support. I have made first impression video. The guys watched that video and told me that it was great and shared my happiness, and everybody was happy. And that's, I don't know, after that video, the unofficial talk was at the end of July we would get a gameplay video. Now it's August, guys, and it's August, the 6th of August, and still no official gameplay video. The only video we got is a few over-the-shoulder piece of J videos. But this episode 3 is purely made because of one thing: my disappointment in this Halloween pinball machine. Nobody was excited as me. Nobody. It was just off the hook. Everything was just wow. I'm disappointed because you know me, guys. If you are a long-time subscriber to my channel, pinball is 50% visual and 50% audio. Okay, in this video we're not going to talk about anything visual. Those over-the-shoulder cam records and gameplay and shots and stuff like that, those videos are just not good enough to talk about that. But we can talk about one thing that's really important. That's the audio part. In that first impression video, I said the theme, Halloween theme, is not a dream theme for me. No, it's an okay theme. I don't hate it. It's okay, but it's not a dream theme at all. Okay, but the music, I love the music. And I said on that first impression video, the guys at Spooky Pinball, they could remix, make rock, techno, hip-hop, all sort of different versions in different places. This pinball is so bright. It's not dimmed, it's not dark, it's not, you know, spooky. No, everything is lit. On podcast they say that this layout was made for Ultraman, and then they included Halloween. So it's so bright, everything is just lit. I love that, everything about it. But the music, okay, check out these few clips I'm gonna share with you guys. This game, it has to be reprogrammed. I don't care about this. It has to be redone because they start a new game and, you know, 2 piano presses. I know it's from the movie, but it's not that theme that we all love. We have got high-speed action, light effects, everything going on, and the most boring audio part ever. It's so boring when the ball drains, that high-pitched sound. It's so bad. Listen to this, and we'll talk about this after, because I am so disappointed. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna share with you how I want this game to be, because as of right now, I hate
thing a beauty.
This pinball machine. I'm so sorry.
Unfortunately, he doesn't know how to work it. So that's it. Game over.
That's it.
Is there no credits? Hmm?
Ready?
Yeah.
He was doing very well last night. Maybe someone here gave him lessons.
That guy sounds pretty good.
Not bad. Here we go.
I don't know why they just didn't use the audio from the movie, but that's cool.
Pure evil, and he's come to you.
He's good. It's pretty cool. I can't take my eyes off the graphics in order to play the game. It's too cool. Oh, see? I was looking at the graphics.
You didn't do 2-player? Oh. Look at the lights and the speakers. That's cool.
Yeah.
The orange lights.
Oh, look.
Oh, is he coming out? Did he just pop out?
Yeah, he just popped out.
Oh, I missed him.
He just popped
Great
out.
performance. And now for our rewards.
I can't wait to have this in my house.
Pumpkin. Oh, subway again.
Pumpkin is lighting up.
I'm trying to get him to come back out of it.
Oh, there he is! Yeah! That's awesome. Oh, that almost tricked me. I didn't see it coming out.
I know.
It's a tricky machine. Like Michael, he's very crafty. And oh, there he comes again. Oh, shit. Yeah, you gotta be careful on that one. It sneaks out.
See?
Oh, I missed it up there. Oh, that's rad. You missed that graphic. I'm looking at the graphic and I lost the ball.
That's what I did too. I do it all the time. I'm too busy looking at everything to play.
Oh, hey, what's going on? Oh, there we go. Oh, I missed it again. I gotta stop watching the screen.
I know, I was doing the same thing.
Where does it keep popping out of? It's like...
It goes...
Yeah, it comes out of like these...
when it goes in the subway right there,
it's popping
then
out.
it pops out here.
Shit. Ooh. Oh, here we go. Oh, yes. You know what's confusing? Well, there we go. Living the dream. Oh, I'm just gonna keep doing that. There's a couple things that are confusing.
Yeah.
I'll point them out here in a second. That's one of them. Is that flipper? I keep thinking it should be the right hand.
Yep. Because it's on the right side.
Exactly. But it's obviously the right side would be the one on top. But I guess
Ding, 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 ding. Oh my god. No. This is just... It's so boring. It's so boring. I can't explain how disappointed I am. I'm not talking about the video, the gameplay on the video. I'm not talking about the quality of the record, of the sound quality, nothing like that. It's the choice of the music. It's the choice of the sound effect when you shoot that scoop. It just it screams in my ears, man. And that music, it's so boring. Look at the playfield. Everything is lit. Everything is just, it screams of high-powered techno. When you look at it, just look at the layout, at the light show, everything. It just screams of action. And father and son, they said that this one has got a lot of, you know, combo shots. It's a fast game. But that music, it's just, some people may like it, and more power to you. But people like, let me just see me, okay? A guy like me that plays any pinball machine with the almost highest volume as possible. I mean, I need to have high volume. Some of my friends says this is just too much. It's never too much for me. I love high volume. And my ears can detect the slightest details in, yeah, I have history with through the military where they use my hearing and stuff like that. But the important thing is, guys, it's so boring. This game is being made now, I know. It's not shipped out yet. Through this video, I really hope that you guys at Spooky Pinball, I hope you update the audio package of this game. So when people press start, it will be just like the rest of the machine. We got great art, we got great light show, we have a lot of speed, we have a lot of flow, we have everything is just maximum except the audio. Ding 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 ding. Come on, it just can't be real. I was so happy when I watched the video. Okay, I'm not gonna talk about shots and layout and nothing like that yet. You can't do that with this video, but I'm just gonna tell you guys, update that audio part. Okay, I can just show you, let me just end this video by showing you when I press that start button what I want to experience. Okay, what I want to experience. And I know this melody must be somewhere, the Halloween theme, it must be somewhere when you start something. As of right now on this video, at the game over screen, when you have to write your name, then they give you. But I think when you start some modes, that the Halloween theme will be there. And I know this is also from the movie, but you guys, you have to take that theme and you have to remix it with all sort of different, I think the audio package with Rick and Morty. Oh man, I love the audio on that one. I know you guys can do 1,000 times better than this, because just look at that playfield, look at everything and just listen to the audio. It destroys 50% of the enjoyment. Okay, so please, let's end this video by listening to just a slightly different version, a version that a guy like me would like to have. We can have two different versions. Okay, let's just take two videos so you can see how I feel it should be when you press that play button. simple examples of how amazing the audio package could be. Scoop shot and those irritating sounds, that's one thing, but the music, you just listen to 2 different versions of that Halloween theme. That should be, I mean, as soon as you just push that start button, this game should just blow your mind completely, because the light show, everything, it's there, the shots are there, but the audio package, I really do hope that this video can change your mind at Spooky, the designer, programmer, audio guy. I don't know who I have to talk to, but please just go the last step and make this game pumping just right like the rest of the pinball machine. If the layout was dark and spooky, then I understand the choice of music that you have got. But no, the gameplay, everything looks just so bright and sharp, everything. So to touch rest of the senses, you have to check that Halloween theme that we all love. We can't get enough of that music, and just include it from the beginning. Get the player from the get-go, get us excited. Make this game perfect, guys. Listen to me. I wish you all a great day, and I want to say thank you for listening to episode 3. If you like this one, give it a thumbs up. If you disagree with me, write it down in the comments below and let me hear what you think about the audio part of this game. Have a great day out there. Bye.